I wanted to share some of the things that I think are most important features of a website, a successful website, a strong website. So you want your website to look clean. It should be organized, minimal, a way for people to find what they need and access it right away. At the bottom of every page of your website, you should have some sort of link that leads them to that contact form. Because what's the point of your business and your website in the first place is to get people to contact you, to inquire, to book. So you always want to lead to that contact form because that's the whole point of them being on the website in the first place. So a contact form is number one, the most important thing to have. Next, you want to make sure you highlight the services that you offer and what location you serve. So listing out the different packages you have or the different types of clients that you serve, and then what location you are going to be serving them in so that you answer those questions for clients before they have to ask you. Next, maybe you want to talk about what steps it takes to book and what the booking process looks like. It's also important to showcase your work, and obviously this is a website, you want it to be you, so making sure to put all your beautiful portfolio work throughout the website, make it pretty. Another content feature that I think is important to add is who you are and what inspires you, and adding a little bit there where your dream clients can connect with you on a deeper level. In addition to that, how you're different, what sets you apart from other wedding photographers, and why somebody should book with you specifically. Some other content features to showcase are maybe an FAQ, so you can answer those questions up front so they don't have to ask you later, and links to your social accounts so people can see your other work. After your website is built and you have all those pieces, all you have to do is do baby tweaks to make sure that it's on brand, adding little things here and there to make it fun, making sure that it's the style and aesthetic you want to have, and uploading new photos as you build your business. Easy as that.